Okay, now we still continue with the fuel cell. Okay, now we look at the advantages for the fuel cells. Okay, so the first one, electrical energy can be generated continuously if there's continuous fuel supply. Okay, so the fuel here, as you can see here, this one, okay, hydrogen will be used as a fuel. Okay, if the continuous of the supply of the hydrogen, so the electric will be continuously generated. Okay, the second one, the byproduct of the fuel cells, okay, is steam. Steam is a water. It's water in gas state, okay, in gas condition. That's why we call it as a steam. Okay, which do not pollute the environment. Okay, and the third one, chemical energy is efficiently converted to electrical energy. Therefore, there is minimal loss of energy. Okay, so efficiently, okay, converted to electrical energy. Okay, how about the disadvantages for the fuel cell? Okay, hydrogen oxygen fuel cells, okay, are very expensive. Okay, hence, or you can say therefore limiting their use. Okay, the costly, okay, this method. That is about the fuel cell. Okay, so now we go to the last subtopic, which is talking about the photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis is the endothermic reaction, so which means absorb the heat. Okay, so here, okay, so firstly you have to know what is photosynthesis. As you know that, okay, photosynthesis, okay, is a process where the plants take in the carbon dioxide, okay, CO2 and water H2O in the presence of chlorophyll, okay, and use them in the presence of sunlight, okay, to produce glucose and release oxygen. Okay, so this is basically is the equation for photosynthesis. Okay, so this process needs carbon dioxide, CO2 plus water and also energy, okay, and also energy, then it will produce glucose and oxygen. Okay, so plants get their energy by using the glucose form, okay, and the scientists believe that we can use the stored energy in glucose as combustible fuel. Okay, so this diagram shows the why photosynthesis is an endothermic reaction. Okay, so this is the reactant. Okay, you need the CO2 and water and also the let's say the energy to produce the oxygen and also the glucose. Okay, so it creates glucose, absorbs more energy than it releases. Okay, it releases O2. Okay, and also, or you can say all of the above. Okay. Okay, photosynthesis, okay, again, first glucose fermented to make ethanol by microorganisms such as yeast. Okay, this is fermentation. So the glucose is usually derived from corn plant or sugarcane. Okay, this is the glucose. Okay, if you mix with the let's say to make, if you make it fermented, okay, it will become the ethanol and also the carbon dioxide. Okay, so then water is removed from the frictional distillation by heating it up until 78 degrees Celsius, boiling point of ethanol. Okay, some water might still be present as the boiling point is close to the ethanol. The ethanol produced is then mixed with fuel to be combusted to produce energy. Okay, we call this as a biofuel and it's a renewable energy sources. Okay, so this is another method, okay, of how you can, okay, use the energy, okay, in photosynthesis. Okay, so why we say photosynthesis is an endothermic reactions. Okay, another explanation. Okay, in here we use the fermentation. Okay, so that's all for today, for today's class. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.